Imagine yourself in this Dodge 2019 Challenger RT Scat Pack. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include Plus package included, heated steering wheel door trim panel with ambient lighting, tires, 275/40 ZR20 AS Performance, SRT Performance spoiler, Sublime Pearl Coat, wheels, 20-inch x 9.5 inches forged painted aluminum, Harman Kardon audio group with subwoofer included, trunk-mounted subwoofer 18 speakers premium audio system surround sound Harman Kardon green ajab, quick order package 24 grams RT Scat Pack included, engine 6.4 LV8 SRT Hemi MDS transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 3.09 rear axle ratio, black Scat Pack logo Napa Alcantara seat included, leather trim seats ventilated front seats and transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8